everyone. I just want to log in as if I was a parent. Sometimes it's easier just to see the process from your perspective. I'm on XtraMath.org. I'm going to hit sign in. Please make sure you're on the green tab. As you can see, I signed in as Liliana earlier before, but if on your screen it will look like this. So I would type in the teacher's name. My email address is jwolf@rcscsd.org. Type in your child's first name. So in this instance, I'm just going to write in Kenny, and then your child's PIN number. To find the PIN number, you guys can, this should look familiar. You can go to the resource folder on the RCS website. Just go to the work from home calendar. And then all of the passwords will be here on the 5th slide. Here's my name, Mrs. Wolf. And then it has your child's name and your child's passcode. So Kenny is 0008. 0008. And Kenny would be logged in. All right.